everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Target beauty box for August 2019. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's got some cute little chili peppers on the front. I think they're chili peppers. I don't know. Anyway, something smells really, really nice. Whew, something smells really nice. All right, so here is the card. It says hot for fall. Summer may be winding down, which makes me super sad, but that doesn't mean your beauty routine it needs to. If your skin, hair, and nails are in some desperate need of TLC, you're not alone. After months of fun in the sun, we're turning to these hero products to help us look our hottest as we head into fall. Try them out. Check them out at target.com/beautybox. I think it's neat that they have the deep red and then the green. That is really nice. Something smells really good in here. I don't know what it is. Okay, here we go. I'm not quite sure what all these items are. Okay, there are 6 items in here. The first one, let's go ahead and show you that one because it is something I'm going to give probably my husband. I mean, I could use it too, but I don't use a shampoo and conditioner in one. So this is Dove Men Plus Care Fortifying Shampoo and Conditioner. I use 2 separate products for my hair, so that's the only reason why I wouldn't use this. It doesn't really matter that it says men on it, to be honest with you. To me, I really don't care, but I do care about the shampoo and conditioner in one. That is not something that I like for my hair and my hair type. So let's go ahead and take a look. This says Dove Men Plus Care Fresh and Clean 2-in-1. I actually might just give this to my son, my 12-year-old. 2-in-1 formula with caffeine and conditioning agents cleanses hair and moisturizes your scalp so strands feel stronger and more resilient. It's a nice item to get. Let's see if this is the smelly stuff. This actually might be what I'm smelling. I think this is what I'm smelling. It smells good. If I used a 2-in-1 product, I would definitely use this. All right, next item. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so this is a toothpaste, excuse me. It's from Hello. It's the activated charcoal and hemp seed oil epic whitening fluoride free toothpaste, farm grown mint. Let's see if it has a safety seal on it. It does, so I'm not going to open it up, but here is what it looks like. So I probably should have it this way, but there it is. Let's see what the card says about this toothpaste. So this is Hello Activated Charcoal and Hemp Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste. Activated charcoal works to remove surface stains for noticeably whiter, brighter teeth, while farm-grown mint keeps your breath smelling fresh. I like minty toothpaste. All right, next item is this one right here. Okay, so that's a little odd. This box is a little weird this month. It's a little bit weird. I'll explain why here in a minute. This is from Aussie. It's the 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I'm assuming this is just a deep conditioner you put in and take and wash out. But here's what it looks like. All right. So the card says Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioning Treatment. Intensely hydrating formula infused with Australian aloe, jojoba, and sea kelp helps transform dry, dull hair from lackluster to lush in just 3 short minutes. Tip, work in wet hair, let sit for 3 minutes, then rinse and dry for wow-worthy locks. So, okay, next item in here, and then I'll explain what I'm kind of like confused about. So this is a foil pack from Herbal Essences. This is the shampoo and conditioner birch bark extract gentle color protection. So it is a foil pack of shampoo and conditioner. So this says Herbal Essences Birch Bark Extract Sulfate-Free Shampoo Conditioner. Sulfate-free formula and blend of real botanicals gently cleanse and protect color-treated hair, keeping strands silky smooth. Hint, sulfate-free formulas won't overstrip the scalp of its natural oils, which keeps hair healthy, shiny, and moisturized. So there's 2 more items in here I'm going to show you in just a minute, but the thing that I'm very confused about is shampoo and conditioner, conditioner. That's just a little odd to me to get that many products. Okay, moving on. This item is actually really interesting. I won't eat it because of the amount of carbohydrates that are in here and sugar. I've pretty much cut sugar out of my diet. Very, very rarely I will have a cheat day and eat sugar, but I do not have a lot of sugar in my diet anymore. Anyway, this is from My Bite Vitamins Beauty Inside and Out dark chocolatey bites with rich caramel, roasted peanuts, and a whipped center. My husband actually uses these. He was concerned with brittle nails. Earlier in the summer, he was having a really hard time where his nails were just breaking all the time. And he's like, what do I use for nails? And I said, you need a hair, skin, and nails vitamin that has biotin in it. So he actually picked these up in a full-size package. I'm not sure. He got the dark chocolate. I'm not sure if he got this one. I think he got this one. I think he might even have this one specifically. But anyway, here's what it looks like. I'll stop talking about it. But long story short, my husband tried them out. His nails got stronger and he really liked them. He doesn't use them as much anymore because his nails were growing really, really fast on using these. So he will use them maybe like once or twice a week now instead of every day, which is what he was using them. So I can speak from his experience with this specific vitamin, or not vitamin. I guess it's a vitamin. It's more like a candy, but he really had very good results with this. So this is the My Bite Vitamins Beauty Inside and Out Dark Chocolatey Peanut. Delicious dark chocolatey bites filled with extra strength biotin and vitamins C and E help support skin, hair, and nails so you can look and feel your best inside and out. So yeah, like I said, from his experience, it worked really well for him, but everyone is different. It does say for best results, eat 1 bite per day, but he just found that his nails were growing so fast that he couldn't keep up with 1 a day because his nails were just growing too fast. I do like this. I do like this. This is from Oral-B. It is the Precision Clean Interdental Picks. So this I actually kind of like. That is what it looks like. And there are a lot in here. There are 50 in here, which is kind of nice. So this is the Oral-B Interdental Picks. Flexible yet strong bristles glide between teeth to help remove food and plaque while gently massaging and stimulating gums to promote gum health. Trick: for the pearliest whites, brush teeth with baking soda, which helps scrub away stains from teeth. So, recapping this box, we got the teeth picks, which I'm really intrigued by. The vitamins, which I will give my husband and he will use. It'll just take him a little bit longer than 5 days to use them. The shampoo and conditioner foil pack, the deep conditioner, the shampoo and conditioner in one, and the toothpaste. Overall, I paid $7 for this. Do I think I got $7 worth of products? Yes, I absolutely do. Plus, I do have a $3 off coupon of a $15 purchase. I do not like that they make you scan it into your app and use it from your app. I don't like that. That is my own personal preference. I prefer to have a coupon that I can actually take with me than putting it in my app because I don't like, I don't know. I love using apps. I love using my phone, but there's some interesting things about the Target app. If you go out and look online, there's some interesting stories about them. Anyway, that is my Target beauty box for August 2019. I am pleased with it. It was $7. I feel like I got $7 worth of products. And yeah, I'm actually really pleased with it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think of the Target beauty box for this month? And hit that like button if you like this video, and hit that red subscribe button if you wouldn't mind. It really helps me out. I really appreciate it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.